All right, not a problem. As always, I am here to help. So let's start off with some things that you can grow to keep those pesky squirrels out of your garden. Things that you will want to grow that they just cannot stand the smell of is that of garlic and onions. Y'all know I love planting me some onions all over for a multitude of reasons. Not only will the onions help aid in getting rid of the insect pests, but also the squirrel pest. All right, you can also grow, if you like the lily of the valley flower, grow you some lily of the valley flowers. And in terms of herbs, you can get you some peppermint as well as some rosemary. And those things, squirrels do not like the smell of. All right, now let's talk about some things for you to purchase to put in or around your garden to ward off squirrels. Get you a solar ultrasonic pest repellent. It's basically a solar operated stake that you put in the ground near your garden area, and it releases an ultrasonic sound that us humans cannot hear, but a bunch of different rodents and pests do. So give an example, squirrels can hear it as well as mice. So this way you're getting, a big bang for your buck. Something else that you would like to buy and put in or near your garden area would be that of Irish Spring soap. Now hear me out on this, because I don't know what it is that's special about this soap, and I know this is going to sound weird, but Irish Spring soap will actually help if you have an issue with flies. It will deter flies as well as these squirrels. So it's something in the soap, baby, that they don't like the smell of it, and hey, I'm fine with it. So just get you a bar and cut it up in little slithers and place it in and around your garden area, and that will help. Last but not least, let's talk about some things that you can make and put in and around your garden that will deter these squirrels from ever messing with your crops again. First and foremost, a lot of you drink coffee in the morning. Use those coffee grounds to your advantage. Go ahead and sprinkle those coffee grounds in and around your garden. Also, coffee grounds are twofer because yes, it is a great fertilizer in the sense of it adds nitrogen to your soil. Now, another benefit of utilizing coffee grounds that I learned last summer is that if you have an area where weeds just seem to be so stubborn and they keep growing and you don't want to put chemicals down, put a lot, overdo it with the coffee grounds where those weeds are, and the coffee grounds will turn those weeds yellow and then they would die and they would not come back. Promise you, that's what happened in my little one area where I just had these real stubborn weeds. All right, and then last but not least, make you a hot concoction. And what I mean by a hot concoction is everything that you know is spicy, you're gonna put in this concoction. So what I mean by that, hot sauce, Tabasco sauce, cayenne pepper, Tabasco sauce, chili flakes, anything that you know is spicy. You're gonna mix it in together and you're gonna put a little bit of warm water in there. And when you do that, place it all around your garden. Because see what's gonna happen, this is gonna help you with squirrels, this is also gonna help you with raccoons, possums, cats, a plethora of furry animals that don't need to be in your garden anyway. All right, they're gonna get nosy and they're gonna sniff it and they might even lick it. And you can guess what's going to happen. It's going to burn them up, right? And they're going to learn their lesson. It's almost like it don't take them long to realize the stove is hot. Let me not touch it. So they literally going to be like, not the block is hot, the garden is hot, baby. And I ain't going back there no more. All right, so I hope this was helpful to you. And as always, if you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll make sure that I answer them. Happy growing, my fam.